Hello YouTube, just a quick video today in this series on this small amplifier. Today's work, I fitted a 110mm fan to the top of the amplifier. I drilled airflow holes in the side and countersunk them at 25mm apart from the centre. As you can see here, just a cheap fan. I think it was around about $15. It is a bearing fan, so it's very quiet. And if we do the all up, turn that off. Audio. Just put this on. Audio. Okay. I'll just show you inside. I just put a small round ferrite on the power leads to stop any noise, and without the ferrite I was getting a bit of noise. And here we go, I'll turn it on. That's turning on, there's no spikes. Turning it off, there's no noise as well on the scope. So that's all really good. I will just take the top off and show you. Alright, for the moment what I've done is wired the control into the main switch, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a Thermo circuit board, PCB, which is going to run off. I'm going to pick one of the screws, which is here, and it's got a thermistor, and the fan will turn itself on. At the moment it's on all the time. Alright, so what I did there was I just had an adhesive fitting here with a cable tie to help me mount it to the chassis, and then I've run the small ferrite here. That works quite well. And just use computer connectors, which I've got a lot of here, and so that you've got a quick disconnect if I have to work on the amplifier. So everything has to be serviceable. Alright, so we're nearly finished this. It's a beautiful little amp, and now it's going to be running cool, where it does get very hot when it's on a dummy load. It doesn't take long to get hot at all. I have got another fan coming. I've got one that's only 15mm thick, so half the height, and it's clear here as well. So we've got options, so I'll see how that goes. Now this is a 110mm fan. They're a bit harder to find, and I didn't want to increase the holes in the top of the panel because they were 110mm apart. So all looking very good. Now the airflow, before I put the holes in, this is very critical. I see a lot of amplifiers that people put fans on. You need to be able to have the air escape. And what was happening before I drilled the holes, and I wanted to check this for myself, the air was actually coming back out to the fan, so it was having very little effect. Now with the holes along the side, it's just logic. The air's going straight down onto the transistors, and the air is then just blowing straight out of the side of the amplifier. Okay, and again, you do a nice job, and it turns around and rewards Now, I haven't used screws on here yet. I've just used cable ties, which I've slid down the secondary head and pulled it tight. It doesn't move. I will put in some button head stainless steel screws once I get the screen. I'm getting a steel screen that goes on there so you don't hurt your fingers. Just bear with us. So the drill bit that I used was a stepped drill bit. I use this quite a lot, and one of the really nice things that I like about these stepped bits is that they have a nice chamfered edge here, and that's what gives the nice shiny countersunk look in the steel panel there. So yeah, all looking quite good. So turn it on, fan goes on, everything's working. Testing audio, testing audio, testing audio, testing audio, audio. All right, and that's my video for the day. It's coming along quite nicely. I'm not going to put the screws back in until the other PCB turns up for the fan controller, and I'm also going to put in here the M5 rivets. So they're a pressure mount system, and even though these have been threaded M5, they're already only after removing them three times, I think it is, the threads are being taken out with the screws. So I'll be putting rivets in those, 6 rivets with a thread, and it will be an M5 thread, and I'll get some more stainless steel hex head screws just to be consistent on the sides as well. And there you go. That's Paul's little amplifier, 15 meters to 10 meters, and works extremely well. And on one particular band, its PEP is 360 watts into the dummy load. So very nice, very happy with that. Thank you. Remember, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll publish more videos as they occur. Thank you.